Hi everybody, this is the second video for the sdg16, Peace, Justice and Institutions. And before I start, I want to say that I'm not making these videos to give information about the United Nations Agenda 2030, the SDG Sustainable Development Goals, the targets and the indicators. You can find many information about this and what it is and what is every different SDG says and targets and indicators. You can Google it, or in YouTube you can find videos and find information about. My intention and why I'm making these videos is because I want to show that the SDGs one by one are the subjects and the issues and what we have to discuss like society, and what changes we have to do, beginning from the individual level, from our choices, our everyday choices, and the interconnection that all these aspects of life have. You can't really achieve one goal without achieving the others. That is the magic thing with the agenda and why it is so useful tool. So peace and justice and institutions. To the first video, I've talked about peace, and peace can't be established anymore to this complicated and divided world without justice. Justice is like the protection we need from really ourselves, because actually when somebody is greedy, let's say, it starts from here or from here. He wants more than he needs, and that is a thing that has deep roots in his emotional and mindset world. So justice is coming to solve some of these conflicts. But as we can see, the value that justice gives is very important. Let's say environmental laws are very important. We live now in a world that most of the wars are for natural resources like energy, like fossil fuels, minerals like the mining industry, our water. Some conflicts have already been done for the water, and they're going to become worse as water scarcity is going on to the world. So the environmental laws and the laws that will protect our natural resources and our environment, our forests, our lakes, our rivers, the sea, everything, is very important. So many countries have done a lot about and they have established environmental laws, but these laws are constantly violated, and the decision takes, the final decision from the courts takes so long time, and the big companies have very strong advocate groups, so it takes long time to stop the polluter, to stop the pollution. And it's getting worse as now we see that many countries that have signed the agenda, they have agreed, they have been to the Paris Agreement, they have agreed to protect the environment and make environmental laws. Now they do the opposite. They even very recently, yesterday in Greece, in my motherland, they have made a very bad environmental law that makes many steps back to the protection of the environment. So we can't have sustainable future without a strong justice that enforced environmental laws. And also, we can't have justice, right justice, if we are not prepared to make the right choices in our everyday life, and to make the right choices like citizens, and to realize that our votes, our power is our vote, and we must start giving it to the we must start giving it to the people, and our support, we must start giving it to the people that they are really fighting. They are really fighting, and they are imprisoned and lose even their lives for saving our nature and our environment and our planet and our lives on the planet and ourselves. Because what we are really trying to do is not saving the world, is saving ourselves, because we are part of this sixth mass extinction. Animals are first, but we are after them, because we are one with them, and we have to start realizing it. That is for today. We will continue with the 16th SDG. For the institutions are very important, because religions and other social establishments are there. See you next time. Bye bye.